Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about diagnosing car problems yourself, or you're just tired of those mystery check engine lights, then today's video is for you. We're taking a deep dive into the MUCAR CDE900 PRO, one of the most powerful, budget-friendly OBD2 scanners on the market. Okay, let's talk about features. CDE900 PRO OBD2 scanner offers tons of intelligent software, including user-friendly UI, full OBDI functions 106 car, makes software offline scanning OTA upgrades auto-VIN, IM readiness, smog check, live data up to 120 PIDS, DDC help demo mode, file management. It also comes with robust hardware, anti-collision shell, Android OS. Larger 5-inch touchscreen keypad, 32GB storage, 256 GB expandable, 3,150 mAh battery, and add-on functions for upgrades in many ways. CDE900 Pro Scan Tool offers many add-on functions for upgrades, including the most popular ABS SRS TCM ECM system diagnostics, $39.95, full system diagnostics, $99.95, 28 maintenance functions, $79.95, bidirectional features, $59.95, one-time cost, no annual fee, wireless update. If you mind these modules very much, you can choose not to open them. Basic OBDI features are free updates for life. Designed for mechanics and workshops, it offers 28+ professional reset service functions like Perform KY programming, gear, SAS, EPB, TPMS, odometer, BMS, ETS, oil, brake, AFS, gearbox, sunroof, SUS reset, ABS bleed, injector coating, and more. Get dealership-level relearn procedures for repairs. CDE900 Pro Scan Tool works on most OBD2 compliant vehicles, including most 12V cars, SUV, pickup, light-duty truck, minivans, hybrids. FCA Auto-Auth. The scanner does not include an FCA account, and you need to register it yourself. Full localized 17 languages to use. Choose your native language. No barrier to use. For a better experience, our system software will be updated frequently. It's recommended to update to the latest version when you receive the product. Pros: professional features for DIYers and mechanics. Easy to use with a sleek mobile app, frequent software updates, and wide vehicle coverage. Great value for the price. And cons: some advanced features require in-app purchases, no screen on the device itself. Phone is required. This scanner is perfect for car enthusiasts, garage DIYers, or even professional mechanics looking for a powerful tool that doesn't break the bank. If you're ready to take control of your car diagnostics, the MUCAR CDE900 Pro is a no-brainer. I've dropped a link in the description below. Go check it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more car tech reviews every week. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.